The time has finally come. Sonos has brought their world-class home audio tech to Sonos Ace, the new benchmark for premium high-fidelity headphones. Sonos have expertly engineered their headphones to deliver exceptional audio exactly how the artist intended. From sparkly highs to the thump of the bass, every sound is there, tuned by industry-leading producers, engineers, and artists, giving you a high-fidelity sound experience and lossless audio with a compatible device. With spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, you get a fully immersive listening experience that literally follows you as you turn your head, whether you're streaming music or TV content. The Sonos Ace headphones are built to be super comfortable. They've got memory foam ear cushions that mold to the contours of your ears, combined with an adjustable headband so they can fit your noggin perfectly and stay comfortable for all-day listening. Leave your phone in your pocket. The handy content key gives you tactile control over volume, playback, and incoming calls. Plus, they're designed for the long haul with up to 30 hours of battery life on one single charge. And if you're in a rush, you can get 3 hours of playback with just a 3-minute charge. Of course, you need to have a balance between immersion and awareness. Sonos Ace has built-in world-class active noise cancellation, helping you focus, fading out the noisy world around you. Meanwhile, Aware Mode keeps you connected to your environment so that you won't miss your train stop announcement or a workmate's latest Netflix recommendation. If something needs your full attention, whip them off and it will automatically pause your audio, picking up where you left off when you put them back on. Sonos Ace has Bluetooth 5.4, meaning it can connect to multiple devices. So you can switch from a podcast on your phone to a conference call on your laptop without missing a beat. And when you're winding down for the day, instantly swap your TV audio from a compatible Sonos soundbar to Sonos Ace to transport yourself to your own private cinema. Check out the Sonos Ace and the full Sonos range at your local JB or at jbhifi.com.au.